Hello everyone, welcome again, welcome back. Today I will be opening number 6 and number 7 of my 12 days of Christmas swap with Brigitta. So excited. Yesterday I showed you a really beautiful frame that she altered and created as a shaker. So take a look at that video as soon as possible. And today I will be sharing with you this one, which is the number 6. And this is how the tag looks like. She used a lot of Nouveau drops and also this number die, which I love very much. Just love this beautiful sort of twisted wire there. And it does reveal a little bit what's inside, but that's okay. Let me just open him up. I must say this time like so. So keeping it all twisted up. Number 6, you can see there. And then it will reveal this super fun gnome, which is a sort of a door stopper, or you can also put him on top of your Christmas decoration on the table. I just love him. He's so cute. Oh, such a fun and a beautiful festive thing here to have on your, maybe on your coffee corner there, sharing all of these elements of the Christmas. Such a cute and fun guy. Thank you so much. Super cute. Such a fun element there. I'll put him here. Yes, teeny tiny bit there, so you can see him throughout the reveal of number 7, which is this one. And I believe, if I am right, it should be like this. And let me just try to open this one up. It is twisted like this. This is the label that she created for that one. And then tied up with a beautiful bow. And I do love the fabric that you used. Is it a vintage one, Brigitta? Please let me know if it is. It really looks like a vintage one. Let me see if I can unwire this one like so. And please let me know how you are enjoying. Oh, wow! Sorry, but how you are enjoying this swap series as so far. Oh wow! Let me just move him just a teeny tiny bit there, so you can see the beautiful tablecloth as well, which is number 7. Wow, which is a cake stand. Now I see, with all of these slices and pieces. Wow, this must have taken you a long time, Brigitta, to create. I know you don't have a die cut machine, but I do. Like a 6 Cricut or a silhouette. So you must have used dies for this one. And this is such a fun element there. Loving it. This is in the middle. I believe it is supposed to be glued down, but it just got a little bit bended in the middle, but that's okay. I will glue it down. And on the sides there are beautiful golden flowers. I will put pictures, don't worry. I will put pictures of everything where you can see here. So let me just start by putting it here and show you the beautiful tablecloth. And it's like a It's, yeah, like a machine. I don't know if it is handmade or what, but it does have a stitching going around there and making it a sort of a embossed element. So beautiful. Try to close up again for you to see it. Really beautiful. So I believe this is going to be a long video. And let me just open up the first slice here and share this one with you. Let me just see if this works a little bit better. Like so. If it will focus. Yeah, I believe I should keep it like this, and then you will see all of the elements best. In the first slice of a cake, she has some beautiful die cut elements there and some different bells inside. Oh, these are so cute. Yeah, you can use these to layer up to create like Christmas balls as well, or like Christmas elements. And oh, thank you so much for these. Loving the silver, the gold. This one is sort of a embossed or has a beautiful structure on that, and the other one is just plain. Oh, super cute. Loving these. Thank you so much also for the beautiful die cut pieces there inside. So this is for the first one. So put this here on this side. Then we'll go to the next slice. This is the side. Open her up. These are also filled with die cut pieces, which is a very smart idea to use these for. And of course, you can layer them up again, like so. Put these on top of each other. And then she got these so beautiful stars. Quite a few of those. Thank you so much. Really beautiful elements to use on clusters and pieces. So this is the second one done. So let me go to the other, which again has a beautiful star on the side. Again, these beautiful paper pieces, die cut pieces with lots of different patterns there. A beautiful star there, sort of a hair crunchy, but then with this wired material. A super cute dimensional foam rose there in the bubble. You can also reuse this as well, the elements, and yeah, lots of die cut pieces that I suspect will be in each and every slice of the cake, which is such a fun and cute idea. So that's for this one. So yeah, we still have quite a few slices to go. Oh, fun elements here. This one I will show them close up, no worries. Like this. Beautiful wooden pieces, and they have quite a lot of dimension, so I love that as well. And this one has a sort of a I don't know if you can see it, but a painted white edge there, sort of with a Sharpie, and I just love that as well. Loving these. Thank you so much for these as well. And there's like a lot of stuff on the desk, so but I just loving each every item there, so I want to keep them in frame for you and share with you the next box, which is this one. Take them all out. Again, fun elements there inside the box. Don't know if it will focus for you to see there. And some beautiful wooden pieces. Really, I don't have this one in my stash, so now I have quite a few of these elements to play with. Thank you so much. I love the details of these in the like sort of a wooden burnt pieces, like with the details inside, and the Santa is also super cute. Thank you so much for this. Put them inside with the correct lid. And we'll go to the next slide, which is this one. So excited. Oops. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I got some words, which is the word joy. Oops. But this is I believe this is the same. Yeah. This is the same one. I got the word joy in 3 colors with a beautiful jammy there on top. Loving the structure of the papers, and also the word itself, the script of the letter. Loving that as well. Thank you so much. And also for the beautiful die cut pieces as well. So I got, let me see, 6 more to go. So excited. Oh, some more words, some more fun words. It says fa la 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 in silver and in gold. Let's see them there. Such a fun element to have. This is one in silver, and this is one in gold. Sorry for the camera. Hope you can bear with me for that. So these are the words in this piece. Thank you so much for taking your time to die cutting those out. I know how time consuming that can be. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Christmas sweater and a sort of a hat there. Such a cute element. Let me see if it will focus. Yeah, let me just keep it like this. It's attached to each other, but of course I can take them all off and use them on separate projects as well. They are quite dimensional, so they have quite a thickness, and these are fun elements to have as well. Such a great pick, Brigitta, of these fun elements and words and quotes. Let me go to the other one, I hear some Christmas bells. Christmas bells. Such fun colors as well. I don't have any of these in my stash, so will be the first one as well to have. So you did quite a good and great pick to the elements that you added to these slices. Oh no, really? Oh, let me just put this like so and just try to zoom in so you can see them all. They all have glasses and they all have beautiful bling pieces on top of them. Great layering, loving the bag, the bows. Oh, they are such a fun die to have. Oh, this must have taken you ages to reconstruct out of all of those die cut pieces. And it have cost you a lot of patience as well, but I totally love it. Love it so much. Thank you so much for these cuties. These will be stashed in my hoarder vault as well. Then for the last two, I see some more fun words. The fa la 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 la, but then now in red. Great die to have. Such a fun and great element to add onto cards, projects that you're working on, boxes, gifts, banners, whatever. It's really cute elements there. Thank you so much for these. So, and then for the last one for today, and then I can show you the cake stand. Oh, wait, there's a quick note on top of there as well, or inside the box. Let me see what she said. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, so I can take them out if I do wish to have another one. Oh, but these are perfect. These are perfect. Yeah, I just love these elements. You have to tell me where you found this one as well. Maybe you have shared the link in your video as you were posting your projects. I will be sure to check that out and share it with you if you're also interested in this beautiful sort of bottle cap charm here with some bling pieces. Loving it. Thank you so much for the quick note there and sharing that with me. But I love it, so I'm not going to change that up. Going to leave it as is. Leaving the note there inside. And then, as I said, this part just came loose in the mail, but that's okay. I can glue it down again, and you can see the beautiful flowers there. And again, such a smart idea to use a sort of a pot glass bowl there to create a cake stand. Such a fun element to use and to create a project with. Thank you all so much again today for joining me as I revealed the number 7 and number 6 of my 12 Days of Christmas swap with Brigitta. And I cannot wait to share tomorrow's makes from Brigitta with you. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.